Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Let's see what they have here at the front of the store. So they do have this stand here. This is so cute. Here's a watermelon, little tumbler. Then here's a shark. And look at these little palm trees. These are weighted down, so I guess you can use that for balloons. Look at this. The strawberry one. And then they have the beach ball. Okay, the plastic cups are coming in colors. So they have these. And I always love to use these for tier trays. So here's the lemon, the watermelon. Very pretty, guys. Here's a banner. And here are the leaf banners. I like these leaf banners. So I never saw this. Let's see. Here's the sun, and here's a fish, and I like these. So these are really pretty. Sweet summer. These napkins are nice, and I like these plastic ones, and they do come in colors. Here's yellow, pink, blue. Very nice. So that's what they have on this side. I know they have a card. Okay, so this card box is empty, but as you can see, they have the 4th of July Memorial Day stuff out. Let's see. Here's some more signs. So these are coming bigger. It's like a mason jar. And this is so sweet. Isn't that nice? Very nice size signs. Somebody stuck this here. Then you have America. Very nice. Okay, guys, so okay, the gnome on this side. I like this. Isn't that pretty color? Welcome. So they have different kind, and they're on the shorter side. Hello, spring. Life is better in the garden. That's really cute. And then they have this one. The camper, summer chilling with ice cream. I like the signs. Relax. Very pretty. Here's the truck. And summer paradise. And here are the little sunglasses. All right. Some napkins along the bottom and some storage. So if we come on over here, this is all the sea decor. So you have the tablecloth along the top, and the kitchen towel, the placemats, and these are iridescent. Okay, these are iridescent. Most of them are. Then here is the crab collection. So these are the small tumblers. I like the cups. Here are the crab bowls. That's really nice. And here is the coffee. I call these coffee tumblers. This is underwater sea melamine plates. And then here is the tray with the crab. Isn't that pretty, guys? I like that. For nautical decor, the pictures and the buckets. Over here, oh, look at this. So this is the watermelon dispenser, and the cups are inside for $3. No, $5. See that? $5. You gotta check your prices, guys. Then here you have some of the bins. It's really pretty. Those are $4. That's what that says. And look, the snack box for $6 in red. Some more dispensers, and then there are all of the garlands, the big cups, the drinking tumblers. Okay, then you have look how big they are too. Okay, so that's what they have here on this side. I'm going to turn around here very slowly. And they have this circular display here. So here are the lanterns. They have some candles, LED. Let's head on over here. So we have the flags. I think I'm gonna grab a flag. Here are the Mother's Day handmade cards. You can't beat those, guys. All right, so we have the watermelon plastic plates, and here's the strawberry. Here are the lemon trays, guys. You can't beat that. The pineapple. Then you have the utensils and the little shot glasses, the umbrellas, and the straws. And between all of this, guys, look at this. You have the placemats, okay, in the pineapple shape. Very nice. And I like these. So I'm seeing these. This is new, pretty in pink. I like that. And I'm loving these too. Very sweet summer. That is so adorable. And then here we have some more. These are so cute. They have some cute little tumblers here for the kids. And then here you have the foil curtains, the plastic tablecloths, the paper lanterns. I like these. These are really nice. Okay, you got some more stuff there, and I love the strawberry and the berry cups right there. Here you have some wine glasses, and I like these. These are so cute. For $1.50, that's not bad. And you can craft with these. Very nice. And then right over here we have the glasses, the sunglasses. They're so cute for kids. I like the ice cream one. And then along this wall here, let's see. So we have the blue. We have the placemats. Let's see. Okay. So this is nice. Here are the lemon and oranges and the platters. This is really nice. And look at the iridescent colors over here. So along the top, you do have the towels, the tablecloths, the placemats. Very beautiful. I love the watermelon collection. Life is sweet. So these, they might have added to this collection because I don't think I ever seen this bowl. Okay, and there's the tumblers. So this is really nice. We do different themes for the summer. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.